stood first with 98.13%. K. Vinay, son of K. Narayana of 3rd A1 stood second with 96.98%. MD Umar Farooq, son of MD Abdul Farooq of 3rd A2 stood first with 86.53%. R. Radhika, daughter of R. Nagesh of 3rd A2 stood second with 76.92%. Raghavendra, son of Narayan Deshmukh of 3rd A3 stood first with 84.78%. Shravani, daughter of Karunakar Reddy of 3rd A3 stood second with 84.3. B. Sarita Reddy, daughter of B. Ram Gopal Reddy of 4th A1 stood first with 96.7%. S. Suchitra, daughter of S. Suresh, stood second with 97.25%. J. Rohit, son of J. Limba Reddy of 4th A2 stood first with 84.87%. M. Harini, daughter of M. Chandrasekhar of 4th A2 stood second with 84.13%. C. Pranav, son of C. Sudan of 4th A3 stood first with 78.28%. B. Shivaganesh, son of B. Subbarao of 4th A3 stood second with 77.6%. M. Maniraj, son of M. Prabhakar Rao of 5th A1 stood first with 98.47%. C.H. Sai Sumant, son of C.H. Venugopal of 5th A1 stood second with 98.27%. N. Anvita, son of N. Prabhakar Reddy of 5th A2 stood first with 81.73%. Nikhil Siddhanti, son of Mahendra Kumar Siddhanti, stood second with 74.97%. K. Neha, daughter of K. Mohan Rao of 5th A3 stood first with 79.47%. J. Srija, daughter of J. Ramna Reddy of 5th A3 stood second with 64.13%. B. Shravani, daughter of B. Ravindra of 6th A1 stood first with 93.6%. P. Manaswini, daughter of P. Ravinder, stood second with 93.58%. M. Srinath Gaud, son of M. Nagalingam Gaud of 6th A2 stood first with 74.65%. M. Lahari, daughter of M. Devender of 6th A2 stood second with 73.68%. K. Harish, son of K. Linga Reddy stood first with 66.78%. D. Navanita, daughter of D. Narsimlu, stood second with 66.5%. G. Bhagyalakshmi, daughter of G. Govardhan, stood first with 90.33%. E. Vani, daughter of E. Surender of 7th class, stood second with 87.67%. G. Sveya, daughter of G. Venkatram Reddy of 8th A1 stood first with 96.38%. R. Deepthi, daughter of R. Sham of 8th A1 stood second with 95.83%. V. Kiran Kumar, son of V. Das Babu of 8th A2 stood first with 81.77%. C.H. Kirtana, daughter of C.H. Kishtaya of 8th A2 stood second with 79.22%. Sana Samreen, daughter of M.A. Kalim of 8th A3 stood first with 97.35%. Syed Moinuddin, son of Syed Ahmed of 8th A3 stood second with 65.4%. C. Shravya, daughter of C. Venugopal of 9th A1 stood first with 93.75%. M. Shravya, daughter of M. Anand Kumar stood second with 93.07%. G. Nikita, daughter of G. Ganga Reddy of 9th A2 stood second with 82.18%. P. Vishrut Reddy, son of P. Shyam Sundar Reddy, stood second with 82.08%. Y. Saraswati, daughter of Y. Gangaram of 9th A3 stood first with 56.73%. P. Susmita, daughter of P. Satya Reddy of 9th A3 stood second. Finally, merit students of last year 10th class, B. Pranita, daughter of B. Ravinder, stood first with 94%. Come on, guys. M. Shravya, daughter of M. Srinivasulu, stood second with 91.17%. Thank you, sir. I request B. Ravinder Garu to come on the dais. The same way I request Mr. M. Srinivasulu to come on the dais. I request B. Srinivasulu Garu to come on the dais. KSV Chandravesh of UKG A1 stood first in long jump. Frog jump. Thank you, ma'am.
more young children are waiting to take their prizes. Aditya Karthik, son of M. Haribabu, LKG A1, frog jump first prize. Next, Tejana Reddy,
Now, next
daughter
item.
of G. Sanjeeva Reddy, LKG A3, frog jump second prize. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next item, co-curricular activities, prizes, read by Kumari Sai Satya, given by Pandarinath. I request both.
Good evening, everybody. Now I announce the list of co-curricular activities. I request Sri Danturi Pandarinath to give the prizes. So, handwriting competition for primary section, S. Preeti. Fifth A1, first prize. S. Preeti. C. H. Ramya, daughter of C. H. Kistaya, third A2, second prize. For higher section, R. Dipti, daughter of R. Shyam, 9th A1, first prize. M. Nikhil Reddy, son of M. Konda Reddy, 7th A3, second prize. For elocution competition, primary section, for Telugu, B. Rajkumar, son of B. Nagaraju, 4th A1, first prize. G. Ravikant, son of G. Ramkishan, 4th A2, second prize. For Hindi, Omar Farooq, son of Mr. Abdul Farooq, 4th A1, first prize. Akash Heda, son of Mr. Rajendra Heda, 5th A1, second prize. For English section, B. Rajkumar, son of B. Nagaraju, 4th A1, first prize. For English, R. Alekhya, daughter of Mr. R. Bhumeshwar, 5th A2, second prize. For the higher section, for Telugu, G. Swaya, daughter of G. Venkatram Reddy, 9th A1, first prize. B. Lokesh, son of B. Ram Prasad, 8th A2, second prize. For Hindi, Srivardhan, son of Mr. G. L. Chalam, 10th A1, first prize. M. A. Rahim, son of Mr. M. A. Zabbar, 10th A1, second prize. For English, C. H. Kirtana, daughter of C. H. Kistaya, 9th A1, first prize. M. Srujani, daughter of Mr. M. Srinivasalu, 8th A1, second prize. For quiz competition, winners are A. Ganesh, son of Mr. A. Chinnarajanna, 10th A1. G. Sai Krishna, son of G. V. Ramana, 10th A1. L. Shashank, son of L. Madhusudan Reddy, 9th A1. Sandeep Singh, son of Satya Prakash Singh, 8th A1. C. H. Manasa, daughter of C. H. Kistaya, 7th A1. M. Maniraj, son of M. Prabhakar Rao, 6th A1. And the runners team, please come to the race. C. Shavya, daughter of C. Venugopal, 10th A1. P. Shivaharsh, son of Mr. P. Jagdeshwar, 10th A1. N. Yashwant Reddy, son of Mr. N. Damodar Reddy, 9th A1. P. Hemant Reddy, son of Mr. P. Raghu Uttam Reddy, 8th A1. L. Kavya, daughter of L. Madhusudan Reddy, 7th A1. T. Sri Hari, son of Mr. T. Srinivas, 6th A1. For drawing competition, primary section, B. Surya, son of Mr. B. Lakshman, 3rd A4, first prize. K. Karthik, son of Mr. K. Mohan, 4th A3, second prize. For higher section, G. Swapnika, daughter of Mr. G. Mahipal Reddy, 9th A1, first prize. G. Swapnika, then G. Shravani, daughter of G.J. Ganga Prabhu, 7th A1, second prize. For the song competitions, primary section, M. Pratyusha, daughter of Mr. M. Konda Reddy, 5th A3, first prize. For song competition, M. Pratyusha, daughter of M. Konda Reddy, 5th A3, first prize. Afia Fatima, daughter of Shafiullah Khan, second prize. Second A1, second prize. For the higher section, C. Shravya, daughter of Mr. C. Venugopal, 10th A1, first prize. C. Shravya. T. Alekhya, daughter of Mr. T. Srinivas, 8th A1, second prize. For essay writing competition, primary section for Hindi, Sayyid Ilyas Hussain, son of Sayyid Sadiq Hussain, 5th A1, first prize. G. Jayakrishna, son of Mr. G. Ramesh, 5th A3, second prize. For English, R. Alekhya, daughter of R. Bhumeshwar, 5th A2, first prize. Afia Fatima, daughter of Mr. Safiullah Khan, second A1, second prize. For higher sections, Telugu, C.H. Kirtana, daughter of Mr. C.H. Kistaya, 9th A1, first prize. T. Alekhya, daughter of T. Srinivas, 8th A1, second prize. Hindi, V. Shweta, daughter of Mr. V. Ravinder, 10th A1, first prize. M. Shavya, daughter of Mr. M. Anand Kumar, 10th A1, second prize. English, R. Deepti, daughter of Mr. R. Shyam, 9th A1, first prize. M. Maniraj, son of Mr. M. Prabhakar Rao, 6th A1, second prize. For external competitions, LIC Armour as a part of Silver Jubilee celebrations conducted inter-school competitions in August 2005. Our school bagged first place for the third time. G. Srivardhan of 10th A1, A. Ganesh of 10th A1, and P. Shivaharsh, 10th A1. I request the students to come on the dais and receive the prizes. In the college contest conducted Postal Department of India, our school is placed first in Nizamabad division. The names of 5 entries selected the first prize, ₹200 cash prize each are P. Spurti, 10th A1, Sayyid Abdullah Hazrami, 9th A3, S. Vinay Kumar, 8th A3, D. Sridevi, 8th A4, KSV Chandravesh, UKG A1. Results of self-governing day, that is 5th September. Prizes for student teachers. Consolation prizes. T. Shavya, 10th A1, acted as Srimati T. Amrutalata Madam, Secretary. K. Preeti, 10th A1, she acted as Srimati T. Kavita Devakar Madam, Principal of the school. P. Spurti, 10th A1, she acted as a Srimati Lily Rao Madam, Vice Principal of the school. V. Shweta, 10th A1, she acted as Srimati Sujata, Administrative Officer. P. Anu, 10th A1, she acted as Srimati Anand Valli, in charge of the school. Now as teaching staff, S. Nageshwar, 10th A1, he acted as Mr. Ram Singh and he got first prize. S. Nageshwar, 10th A1. A. Shweta, 10th A1, she acted as Srimati Lakshmi Madam and she got the second prize. M. Shravya, 10th A1, she acted as Srimati Rajni Madam and she got third prize. M. Shravya. Teaching staff, M. Hemant, 10th A1, He acted as Mr. M. Gangamohan PT sir and stood first. M. Sanjeev, 10th A2 as Mr. Bhuma Reddy sir, second prize. B. Sunil Kumar, 10th A1, Mr. Ramana PET. Y. Yogeshwar, 10th A1 as Rajendra, attender. He stood third. G. Vilasini, the student of 10th A3. She acted as Lakshmi Aya. Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
Next item, prizes for mothers and staff, read by Srimati Geeta, given by Virendra Nath.
Good evening, everybody. I am here to announce the list of prizes of games for mothers. I request Shri Yendamuri Virendranath Garu to give away the prizes. First game, Bombay City Lucking Game. G. Vasanta, mother of G. Inian Reddy, second A1, first prize. Bombay City Lucky Game, G. Vasanta, mother of G. Indian Reddy, second A1, first prize. Second K. Tirumalata, mother of Rajakumari, fourth A1, second prize. Throwball winners, K. Lakshmi, mother of K. Akila, fourth A1, captain. B. Kusuma, mother of B. Suchitra, 10th A2, vice captain. M. Bharati Rao, mother of M. Archana, 4th A1. E. Aruna, mother of E. Bhumika, 3rd A2. B. Prasanna, mother of B. Nikita, 4th A3. T. Pushpa, mother of T. Priyadarshan, 6th A3. K. Vijaya Lakshmi, mother of K. Preeti, 10th A1. P. Bharati, mother of P. Shruti, LKG A1. S. Gangamani, mother of Sandhya Rani, 8th A2. B. Sarojini, mother of B. Shravani, 2nd A1. Fifth A2 vice captain. N. Vijita, mother of N. Meghana, 6th A1. G.V. Nagamani, mother of G.V. Srinidhi, 6th A4. V. Satya, mother of M. Archana, mother of N. Sweta Reddy, 9th A1. G. Vijaya, mother of Bharat, 9th A2. R. Soumya, mother of R. Kushmita, 2nd A3. Kabaddi winners, G. Lata, mother of G. Spandana, 8th A2 captain. G. Sharada, mother of J. Venkatesh, 8th A2 vice captain. S. Sulakshana, mother of B. Pranaya Kumari, 10th A1. B. Manjula, mother of Preetham, 4th A2. S. Sureka, mother of S. Ritika, LKG A1. D. D. Vasanta, mother of D. Gayatri, LKG A1. S. Geeta, mother of S. Akhil, 4th A3. A2. M. Karuna, mother of M. Sahiti, Fort A4. G. Lata, mother of G. Tanusha, first A1. Runners: M. Manjula, mother of M. Rohit, second A3 captain. G. Sridevi, mother of S. Sinshu, third A2 vice captain. M. Veena, mother of M. Lasya, fifth A1. M. Srilata, mother of M. Navya, seventh A2. K. Ramadevi, mother of K. Sashista, sixth A3. T. Kasturi, mother of T. Ashin Chandra, 9th A1. M. Vinoda, mother of M. Sindhuja, 9th A1. B. Bhulakshmi, mother of D. Ajay Kumar, 10th A3. G. Mamta, mother of G. Sweya, 9th A1. S. Pushpa, mother of S. Pranay, 9th A2. Now I announce the games for teachers. Female staff, winners. Female staff winners. T. Kavita, captain. Give her a big hand, children. T. Sujata. M. Sujata, PET. Satya. Geeta.
Zainab. Arogya madam. Sangeeta madam. She is Zainab madam. Sangeeta madam. Arogya madam. Aruna madam. Ravina madam. Aruna, Ravina. A. Sarada. Swapna. Godavari. Bharati. Archana. Remaji Nair. Rajini. Mamata. Next we have runners. Captain is Mrs. Lily Rogan.
Runners, Captain Lily Rao Madam. Madam. Suvarna Madam. Teresa Madam. Varalakshmi Madam. Vasanta Madam. Karuna Madam. Anuradha Madam. Rekha Madam. Vani Madam. Lakshmi Madam. Veena Rani Madam. Jayalakshmi Madam. Madhavi Madam. Jyoti Madam. Sharda Madam. C.H. Sharda Madam. Manjula Madam. Volleyball, winners M. Ganga Mohan, captain. Ganga Mohan sir. Ramana sir. Rakesh sir. Girish sir. Gopala Krishna sir. Thomas John sir. Philippos Das sir. Savi Joseph sir. Srinivas sir. Veeresh sir. Narasimha Reddy sir. Venkatesh sir. Runners team, Ram Singh sir, captain. Salachan sir. Jobi sir. Srinivas sir. Srinivas sir, Telugu Srinivas sir. Gangadhar sir. Hosting sir, Matai Thomas sir, Santosh sir, Ranjit sir, Bhuma Reddy sir, Hanmant Reddy sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Next item, most prestigious prizes, read by Srimati Jayalakshmi, given by Andamuri Veerendranath.
Good evening, everybody. I am here to announce the most prestigious prizes for the year 2005 and 2006. I request Sri Andamuri Veerendranath Garu to give the prestigious prize. Kumari G. Sweya of class 8A1, daughter of Sri G. Venkatram Reddy, who stood school first with 96.38%, is awarded with gold medal for the academic year 2004-2005. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Kumari G. Bhagyalakshmi, daughter of Sri G. Govardhan, who stood first in 7th class common examination with 90.33%, is awarded with gold medal for the academic year 2004-2005. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Kumari E. Vani, daughter of Sri E. Surender, who stood second in 7th class common examination with 87.67%, is awarded with silver medal for the academic year 2004-2005. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Chiranjeevi M. Hemant Reddy of class 10th A1, son of Sri M. Shekhar Reddy, has been selected as head boy for the academic year 2005-2006. Savil Hanmant Reddy Memorial Award is bestowed on him. His parents are requested to accompany him. Kumari E. Vani, daughter of Sri E. Surender, who stood second in 7th class common examination with 87.67, is awarded with silver medal for the academic year 2004-2005. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Kumari E. Vani, daughter of Sri E. Surender, who stood second in 7th class common examination with 87.67%, is awarded with silver medal for the academic year 2004-2005. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Kumari M. Shravya of class 10th A1, daughter of Sri M. Anand Kumar, has been selected as head girl for the academic year 2005-2006. Savil Hanmant Reddy Memorial Award is bestowed on her. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Chiranjeevi G. Srivardhan of class 10th A1, son of Sri G. L. Chalam, has been selected as best outgoing student in boys for the academic year 2005-2006. Savil Hanmant Reddy Memorial Award is bestowed on him. His parents are requested to accompany him. Kumari V. Shweta of class 10th A1, daughter of Sri V. Ravinder, has been selected as the best outgoing student in girls for the academic year 2005-2006. Savil Hanmant Reddy Memorial Award is bestowed on her. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Kumari E. Vani, daughter of Sri E. Surender, who stood second in 7th class common examination with 87.67%, is awarded with silver medal for the academic year 2004-2005. Her parents are requested to accompany her. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your evening.
Next program, report by the principal.
Good evening, everybody. The esteemed chief guest of this sparkling evening, Sri Endamuri Veerendranath Garu, a well-known writer, the president of Colossal Functions, Sri L. Venkat Ramreddy Garu, the secretary of AP Olympic Association. Guests of honor, Sri Danturi Pandarinath Garu, a famous Vastu Vidwan, and Sri Rajareddy Garu, a famous industrialist. Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, a light of the town, dedicated teachers, dear parents, and beloved students. It's my privilege to present the annual report of the school for academic year 2005-2006. At the outset, I express my immense pleasure to state that Vijay High School, under the management of Ideal Education Society, has passed the landmark of Silver Jubilee year by achieving glorious reputation in imparting primary and secondary education. It is the effort of enthused residents of Armoor to keep it as one of the eminent educational institutions in the entire district. Modern woman is the embodiment of brave talent and goodwill. Ideal Education Society is proof of this norm. The society continues well-educated and dedicated women rendering their services to the people of Armoor in the field of education. The society was established in 1980 under the leadership of our esteemed and beloved promoters Srimati Amrutalata Garu and planted its sapling Vijay Public School, Armoor, with 120 birds. Now it has emerged as huge trees with strength of 1,400 students. The members of managing committee, President Mrs. P. Sujata, Vice President Mrs. A. Vijay Bharti, Secretary Mrs. G. Sunita, Joint Secretary Mrs. N. Vijaya, Treasurer Mrs. V. Amrita Reddy. I take this opportunity to share my pleasure to announce that some of the dedicated members of Ideal Education Society are the sponsors of Vijay Rural Engineering College, Nizamabad, Srinivas Reddy Institute of Technology, Munipalli, Srinivas Engineering College, Banswada, and Vijay Institute of Technology and Sciences, Kamareddy, running under different banners such as Ideal Education Society, Balaji Education Society, Venkateshwara Educational Society, and Siri Educational Society. The mission of school is to inculcate the competitive spirit among the students not only in curricular but also in co-curricular activities. To cultivate and motivate this attitude, the gold medals have been awarded every year by our institutions. This year it goes to Kumari G. Sveya, 9th A1, for her outstanding performance in 8th class 2004-2005 with 96.38% of marks. Yet another prestigious award from the school is the Best Outgoing Student Award after thorough scanning of the capabilities in essay writing, debate, elocution, quiz, games and sports, literary and cultural activities. This award has been proposed to Chiranjeevi Hemant Reddy, 10th A1 for head boy, Kumari M. Stravya, 10th A1 for head girl, Chiranjeevi G. Srivardhan, 10th A1 for the Best Outgoing Boy Student, and Kumari V. Sweta, 10th A1 for the Best Outgoing Girl Student. A learning is continuous process and a teacher ought to be learning to make teaching more effective and up to date. Our staff members will be ever learning. We train and practice the latest learning techniques time to time. This school has introduced many modern techniques and many more are being added to them every year. In the interest of build-up the nation through the improvement of intellect capacity of the students. The efficacy of a teacher lies in one's own capabilities, but effectiveness can be obtained only when the class strength is in a controllable limit. The importance of the close interaction between the learners and learned is well kept in mind by the school, so the class strength is limited to 35 students. Therefore, the school has been providing effective and efficient teaching by paying individual attention on each and every pupil. On the birthday of Sri Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a well-known teacher and the first President of India, we celebrate the Teachers' Day with great pomp. Our teachers played and given some stage performance while our students shared duties of their teachers by imitating them in the form of self-governing day. The school trusts that every child learns first lesson in mother's lap. Moreover, a cordial parent-teacher relation can build up the behavioral aspects of the children. In this regard, the school adopted a tradition to hold mothers meeting every day. This year, it went on 30th October 2005. I feel it is appropriate time to remind and recollect the joyful moments which enhanced our morale immensely. The completeness of learning process could only be attained with co-curricular activities such as games and sports, literary and cultural programs on one hand, and educational excellence on the other to exhibit the all-round talents. The participants of about 300 students in this talent show proved the multicolored exhibition of our students to the extent. A wide range of books in science and literature is feature of the library. The library is made the best its kind to fulfill the query of knowledge of our students. The school takes pride to announce that it is expanding about 30,000 every year to equip our library with the latest information in all subjects through magazines and journals. With a combination of quality and quantity, Vijay always moves forward in the path of success. The consistent high rate of success in the public examination is increasing the inspiration of our students to prove their winning spirits for the past 25 years. In making the name Vijay meaningful, our students and teachers always keep them wholehearted efforts. Out of 108 students appeared for SSC Public Examination 2005, we achieved 84 first division, 11 second division and 5 third division with 93.5 pass percentage, and 98 students appeared for 7th class common examination and passed with 100%. Their talent are recognized by giving gold and silver medals to the first and second places respectively. Kumari B. Pranita, daughter of Sri B. Ravinder, stood first in school first, second in district with 94% in SSC examination 2005, and is awarded with the gold medal. Kumari M. Shravya, daughter of Sri M. Srinivaslu, stood second with 91.17% and is awarded with the silver medal. Kumari G. Bhagyalakshmi, daughter of G. Govardhan, stood first in 7th Common Examination 2005, winning gold medal for herself. Kumari E. Vani, daughter of Sri E. Surendra, stood second, winning silver medal for herself. The school caters to zeal of our young scientists by providing well-equipped laboratory and well-versed science staff. They have been working on the science projects to prove themselves worthy for the coming Science Exhibition 2005. The school bagged first place in the college contest conducted by the Postal Department of India, and 5 students received Rs 200 cash prize in the contest. They are Kumari P. Spurti, 10th A1, Chiranjeevi Syed Abdul Hazravi, 9th A3, Chiranjeevi S. Vinay Kumar, 8th A3, Kumari D. Sridevi, 3rd A4, and Chiranjeevi K. S. V. Chandravesh, UKG A1. Having concern to safeguard environment and prevent environmental pollution, we have launched the National Green Crops and have been campaigning to bring the awareness in the society upon conservation of water and energy and prevention of the pollution. All credit for discipline and cleanliness in the school goes to our active and energetic green team of the NGC. If mental development enlightens the student's mind, the physical educational brightens it. The school allows to no stone unturned in imparting all-round championship among its students. The school proves this as Chiranjeevi B. Sunil, 10th A3, awarded with the best sports boy of the school, and Kumari P. Anusha of 10th A1 is awarded with the best sports girl of the school. 60 of our students participated in Mandal level. Out of them, 47 played in state level and 5 are selected for national level in various games and sports and athletics, bringing laurels to appraise the name of the institution. I feel it is the right time to mention the list of national level players. Chiranjeev B. Sunil, 10th A3, participated in national level 6-a-side cricket at Haryana, achieving 4th place. Chiranjeev S. Nageshwar, 10th A1, participated in national level SGF under 17 years baseball held at Goa. Chiranjeev K. Vikram Reddy, 9th A3, is selected for the national level SGF under 17 years of hockey to be held at Chandigarh. Kumari S. Harshini of 8th A2 participated in mini association national level volleyball held at Chennai and received silver medal and a cash prize of 500 rupees. And last but not least, Kumari K. Akila, 9th A1, participated SGF under 17 years baseball held at Goa. I conclude this report of remarkable academic year 2005-2006 that has added yet another to our list. I foreseen even more colorful glories of Vijay in the year to come to conquer at the greater horizon to make its sponsors name Ideal Education Society meaningful by posting the flag of Vijay High School at the zenith in imparting knowledge to the society. Thank you one and all.